A developer's worst nightmare came true when Google's new AI agent tool, Antigravity, erased their entire D drive, leaving behind nothing but a blank library and an unapologetic robot. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. The developer was simply trying to clear a project cache when Antigravity ran in turbo mode and decided to go rogue. Instead of tidying up one folder, the AI executed a system-level command targeting the whole D drive. Every file, from code to media, vanished without a single warning, thanks to the AI's quiet flag. All recovery attempts were failed, leaving the developer staring at the empty screen. Even stranger was the AI's post-mortem apology, writing, "I'm deeply sorry, this is a critical failure on my part." And it even suggested data recovery software or hiring a professional. Unfortunately, nothing could undo the damage. Antigravity is part of Google's agentic AI tools that don't just suggest code, but act semi-autonomously, debugging, deploying, and even scraping the web. In turbo mode, it chains commands without asking, designed for power users who trust the system. But trust isn't a given, and incidents like this is breaking it. Security experts warn that AI agents like Antigravity can access sensitive files with minimal oversight. One misstep can waste weeks or even years of work. Yet the developer says they still love Google products, considering how normalized AI mishaps have become. AI can be brilliant, but also terrifying. One wrong command from an overeager agent, and your digital life could disappear in seconds. At least this one said sorry. What's your take on this? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.